Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on your Google Play Store in HUAWEI MediaPad 5. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store, and here, just to show you, we're gonna check for the games like Call of Duty. And there's an icon for it, but when we click on that, nothing happens. And to fix this, we'll need to go back, click on the profile picture, now scroll down and select Settings, then Family, scroll down again and enter Parental Controls. Here you can either disable parental controls entirely with a switch right here, or go for Apps and Games, insert the PIN code and click on OK. Now increase PG to at least 16 and save the settings. If we go back and look for the game again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.